Well, hello, my friends. I'm here to talk to you just a little bit more specifically about your food journey today and feeling better, getting your hydration, getting your food going so in a way that you can cleanse and restore your vessel. I want you to think of yourself as a ship and you are going through life. And as you get on down the road, a few things start, kind of grunging up inside the pipes. There's a little rust. There's some bilge water building up in the liver. There's, a few hitches you've had to overcome and a few stitches here and there. And as time goes on, there's just things that need to be repaired. And so I want you to consider you're just going to be really doing a good dock overhaul. If any of you have cruised, they're always painting, cleaning ships and whatnot, but at certain points, they just pull them in the dock and just really do an overhaul. So one of the things that you want to do throughout your life as you're going along is cleanse and restore. And the organs that keep you healthy are the ones that you're going to cleanse and restore, mainly your kidneys and your liver. We'll also work on your stomach and your intestines in this next two parts. So part number one, if it were possible for you to get well and stay well, would you do it? And what is the cost if you don't? So I want you to think about trying to combine your foods differently, trying to look at your body on a cellular level and how it's doing. If you're waking up feeling refreshed, or if you're waking up tired and your eyes are puffy. There's signs there for me as a health coach. If you're waking up tired and your eyes are puffy, well, you need to do some work on your kidneys. Maybe you're getting too much salt. Maybe you're not drinking enough water to help your body balance out the sodium in your body. Maybe you're not really food in, food out. Maybe your liver's dumping all the time, but you're not really getting everything out. It's just still kind of full of some bilge water. So what are some things you can do to get feeling better? Well, one is you can do kind of a 30-day cleanse. A cleanse and restore is something that you do to really help your body balance by helping your liver and kidney kind of get ready to drop some of the toxins and toxic load in the body. And one of the ways you can get the most out of a cleanse is to get some good supplements to kind of keep balanced while you're going through it. A lot of people say, no, don't take vitamins and supplements while you're doing a cleanse because they just go right through you. No, they don't. They actually support your body and your brain with what you need while you're going through a cleanse so you can do well and keep working and do the things that you do best. Well, so if your doctor looks at you and would say high sodium, high cholesterol, lots of toxins, your blood is remarkably similar to a potato chip. It's time to clean up the ship. So if you choose to be a fighter and really stay well and start living life more fully, this will come to you. If you choose to really stay in the health and wellness medical system and let the doctor dictate to you when you need surgeries, what medications you need, and how much you should do for this or that, I'm really worried for you because it is a crisis medical situation we have here. It's really not a healthcare system. So if you want healthcare, you need to really engage and put yourself into action. You need to do some things and start trying to get well. Ideas on how to improve your health. There you go. Eat more good food or stick with the pizza and soda pop. It's up to you. We all pretty well know what to do. It's just really making the time and changing the habits. I call this building micro habits. Taking the good habits that you already have and stacking a few extra things onto it. For instance, in the morning, first thing, you go to the bathroom. That's a good habit. Been sleeping all night, you're dehydrated, I put a gallon of water in my bathroom and drink a couple of glasses of water while I'm there. Get some out, put a couple of cups more in. Start that cleansing going first thing in the morning by getting hydrated. So don't expect the doctors to do this for you. I've suffered with leaky gut. Many people I know have candidiasis, nutritional deficiencies, tiredness, achy, skin problems. I've been to so many doctors for kids with skin rashes when really skin rash and eczema and things like that are very connected to leaky gut, difficulty concentrating. Your gut is not digesting food. Your body has a second brain, and where the enzymes and chemicals are created for you and for your brain are in your gut. Your brain is mostly fatty. You need good nutrition in order to take care of your brain, and you need a way to break that good nutrition down. If your stomach is not working well, you don't have a lot of enzymes, your gallbladder leaky, your inflammation in your gut constant, then digestive enzymes may be the answer for you. So I recommend a really great supplement, the Lifelong Vitality, along with digestive enzymes and probiotics. That's what helps my brain. Good hygiene and good exercise is really important as well. I like essential oils to help me stay calm. A really good combination for those is rosemary, lemon, and peppermint. Those three together, just put a little bit on, get it in the limbic system like you see this woman doing here. Maybe wear some jewelry with some little porous holes in it that you can use for the thirsty stone with that. Also, keeping yourself in top-notch hygiene or good oral hygiene. Brushing your teeth, brushing your tongue, keeping the skin from here to here throughout your gut really cleansing, and eating good food so that you can, nourish your body on a cellular level. When you think about it, if you want good mental clarity and focus, you've got to be healthy. If your immune system is fighting inflammation, if you're just not getting the things that you need physically from, or if your teeth are dirty, if you're not getting the good supplements, if you don't have bioavailable supplement, they don't work. I was taking supplements for years. They didn't work. They absolutely did not work. My mental clarity and focus came when I got really good natural minerals and vitamins. Things that are packed together with a lot of vegetable starch do not work well in your body. They're not bioavailable. They don't absorb well, and thus they don't do the job. Probiotics, for instance, that are not double encapsulated, that don't get down deep into the low gut, don't work well. They need to be good probiotics that get into the gut and really service your low intestines, where those good enzymes will flourish and be encapsulated with, like PBSist prebiotics, so that has a chance to flourish and do well in your gut. So keeping your body balanced, eating right, this pyramid of exercise, reducing stress management, and managing stress. Don't reduce stress management, increase stress management. A lot of the place that we hold our stress is in our gut. Our gut is our second brain. And when our gut isn't doing well, our brain doesn't do well. And this increases the toxic load. So keep yourself chemical free as you can, eating really healthy, and just work on a good lifestyle. These things will come to you if you seek them. So look at all the gifts of the earth that we have been, that will be working for you when you're taking the Lifelong Vitality. There's Alpha CRX, XE Omega, and Microplex VMZ. These are full of minerals, essential oils, probiotics, Silmar, resveratrol, things for your cardiovascular, as well as your heart, your liver, your kidneys, your skin, and you will be feeling better and create more of a balance in your life. Make sure you get plenty of sleep and avoid the other white powder, sugar, and try to improve your ability to get good dopamine hits by doing good things and by eating good foods. They last longer and work much better in the brain than sugary snacks. The opioids and dopamine that our body gets from sugar is an addictive pattern. It forms as reward circuits. So you're always trying to get more of it, right? This happens to many of us, and we've been through this cycle. So try to be more proactive in saving the good foods that you want to eat and getting rid of those bad habits and closet eating that so many of us do because we're really ashamed of ourselves. So align yourself. Remember, we talked about this in our first video. Align yourself with your goals and make sure that your food helps you meet those goals. So join me next time for part 2 of Cleanse and Restore.